Okay, so here's our soy. It's all well coated. Then we're going to take the garlic right there in our ramekin, put it in the mix. And then we're also going to add the scallions in at this point too. I just like to stick my finger in there and get it all out. Really important to make sure that the scallions and the garlic are equally distributed throughout your meat, because there's quite a bit of marination time that's going to happen. Normally, if you have time to do this, a good 6 hours makes an excellent kogi. 6 hours. The thicker the meat, the more the marination time. You can go a day. You can make it a couple days ahead of time. If you're going to have guests, you can plan it that way. But the longer, generally, the better when it comes to making kogi.